Verifying your Neteller account is crucial for enhancing security and ensuring you can fully utilize all features, including higher transaction limits. Here's how to verify your Neteller account. Log into your Neteller account. Open the Neteller website or app and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Verification section. Click on your profile icon or settings and select Verify My Account. This section outlines the necessary steps for verification. Provide identification. You'll need to submit a form of identification. This could include a government-issued ID and proof of address. Ensure that the documents are clear and not expired. Upload documents. Use the upload feature to submit your identification documents directly through the website or app. Follow the prompts to attach the files. Verify payment method. If you've added a payment method, you may need to verify it as well. This often involves confirming small transactions made by Neteller. Wait for approval. After submitting your documents, wait for Neteller to review and approve your verification. This can take a few minutes to several days.